So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to hide following list on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is your home page. You can click on profile button here. Then you can click on three lines, then settings and privacy. After that you can click on privacy button here and scroll down, and here you can see the option called following list. You can click on it and you can change either your following list can be seen by everyone or by you. I have set on only you, so my following list is hidden. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.